I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and install of this 22-inch 360 highlighted wig from Kiss Love Hair. And let me tell you, Kiss Love comes through. I'm loving the way this brown is framing my face, and you still have the beautiful 1B color. I feel like this color would look great on anyone, you guys. So Kiss Love actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all, so we are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig. Let me tell you, Kiss Love is one of them. Like, I bought from them on AliExpress a while ago, and I feel like they have some really good quality hair. But here's the package, you guys. Here it is, a pretty pink bag, and you see it has their branding on it, Kiss Love. So let's open it and see what we're working with here. Let's see what's going on, what it's giving. We're gonna sit the wig aside and look at some of these gifts in here. Ooh, you get a lot. You get a lot of gifts. Okay, so it does come with these free gifts, you guys. So bam, 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 bam. Nice amount of gifts there. And a robe, bow. But let's actually look at this wig and see what she's looking like. Ooh, okay. I see highlights. I love some good highlights, you know. I love me some highlights. Okay guys, so as you can see, the wig is already pre-plucked, the lace is cut, the knots are already bleached, so it's not much we're gonna have to do to this wig whatsoever, you guys. And like, look at these highlights. The highlights are eating. I like that it is pretty dark, but it has like that little pop of color. If you're like, oh, I don't know how I look with blonde hair, because my sister is like that. Sorry, Jennifer, but my sister, she's a little scared of color sometimes, so if you're like that and you just want like a little taste of color to see how you look before you do something like, woo, this is it. So I do really like this, and the brown is like up front, so it is pretty face framing. Let's take it off and actually see what it looks like, but I'm loving how good this looks. Like, it is pre-cut. I was like, I don't want to have to do too much on a wig, because sometimes when I do these videos, I really don't want to have to pluck the wig, bleach the knots. And like, look at this. It's already bleached. Look at that beautiful middle part. The knots, it's already plucked. Like, guys, I'm turning into a lazy girl too. Like, I'm getting a little lazy to where I don't want to have to customize a wig too much anymore. Like, that's how I'm getting. So as you can see, it is like wavy. Like, I am really liking this curl pattern. I'm really liking the waves and the body waveness. Like, yes, let's take the wig off and see what it's looking like. So it does have an elastic band on it, so this wig should be pretty secure. It is also 360, to where it does have like these little itty bitty strings. I don't know if you can see them that well, but this is so you can tighten the wig and wear it 360 style. So you could do a high ponytail if you want one. You can do anything. So you can do any style your heart desires with this wig, you guys. Bam, bam, bam. We're gonna get right into this customization, and look at this here lace. Like, you get a lot of parting space too. This is like, you get the 13x4, like the full 13x4, to where it's no kind of weird U shape or anything. You get all of that. So the only customization I'm gonna do to this wig is add a little bit of lace tint to the wig to make it a little closer to my skin tone. And I'm putting a little in the back since this is 360. Let's put this wig on and see what it's looking like, what she's giving. We also do have some lace tape, so if we do want to secure the wig a little more, we can do that later if we feel the need to. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Ooh, she looks cutesy. Look at that part. That part is like super duper defined. I do love that. So, bam, this is how it's looking. But we are going to kind of secure the edges over here and the back. So the first thing we're gonna do is kind of secure these edges over here so they're not flapping around. We're going to use a little bit of the lace tape for that came with the wig. Okay guys, we're just gonna use a little bit of the lace tape over here on this side and on this side. Bam. Okay, and so we got the front pretty secure from the lace tape, but to make sure the back is super secure, we are going to use a little lace spray for that. We want the back to be super duper secure, you guys. We do want the back to like eat the girlies up. Let's add a little spray. Now we're just gonna style this hair a little bit, put a few curls in it real quick. Just a few little curls, and then we're gonna be done, you guys. Okay, so now we're just gonna quickly style this hair. Like the part looks good, like it's eating, looks really, really cutesy. Okay, this part is gonna be super duper fast, you guys, and it's gonna eat the girlies up. So we're just gonna do some quick little wand curls, and I might still do like a cute little updo just because this is a 360 wig, so we might as well do a cute updo. Okay, I didn't want to bore you guys with like curling my whole hair, but look at this. I love the way the highlights curl. Like, you know, highlights look so good when you curl them, like, it eats. But yeah, this looks really, really cute. So of course you could do like a cute little updo. You could pin this up. You could do a half up, half down because you got it like that. Like, yes, very cutesy. Yeah, you could even put it all the way up, do a bun, but like, y'all, this looks really sexy and grown, like sophisticated. I love it. Look at that part. It looks really, really good. Looks good, you guys, like, but yeah, look at this hair. It looks so pretty. I am obsessed, you guys. But of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. Like, look at the way like the color frames my face. Like, it's eating. I love it, love it, love it. But okay, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.